Hi guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Count, and this is another Clean With Me video, just my front room, and also a fall decorate 2020. So come on with me guys.
Go.
Hi guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Count, and this is another Clean With Me video, just my front room, and also a fall decorate 2020. So come on with me guys. Around the living room, do not go past that stair right there. That's how clean the living room is, guys. It's my granddaughter recording. She hasn't started school yet. She's in Catholic school, so she will start on Tuesday in an actual school. Okay, I know some of my things, like my carpet, I'm going to do a carpet cleaning video. Believe it or not, that dark spot on my couch, I just removed the pillows and cleaned them, and I don't know where that spot. I think that's a wear and tear spot, if I'm not mistaken. So, okay, I want you guys, look at that picture on the wall. I am getting ready to refurbish that picture into a fall decor picture, okay? This is my accent tree I keep up all the time. So that will be a fall decor accent tree when we finish it. Okay, but I just want you all to see. I did not realize how dusty my house was, guys. Why y'all didn't tell me? Okay. So here we go. So stay tuned for fall decor decorating. So as you all can see, we had to take the picture that I tore apart. I refurbish all pictures. I do not throw them away because you could easily create something else out of them. Even if I would have kept the frame and just covered it, you could refurbish it to something else. So you are seeing right now, actually I bought too small of a brush, so don't judge me, guys. My brushes is too small. I recently just started back doing DIYs. I had stopped for a long time, so you know, things happen, and now I'm starting it back, so stay tuned. You doing it? Okay, so I'm just giving the pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree, of course, just a rustic feel from the old paint the paint that was left over from the picture that we are doing. So that's all I did. I just took some paints. I tried to get some more watercolors, didn't have any more. And then, so the back of this, I just cut off. And then, so we could just pull it out of there. And see, distress both pictures right then and there. That's real easy. All of this from the Dollar Tree, nowhere else. Okay, and actually after that, here, I just, okay, after that, I just start actually just placing these on the frame like I want them. So I'm really just putting it to see where I want that. Like I want that one there, and I want this one here. And that's how those are going to go. And then I'm going to take leaves, some leaves that I got from the dollar store. And I'm just going to see where I want them at. Okay. And I'm probably going to do kind of like a gold leaf here. One there. An orange one here. Okay. An orange one here, one there, one in that corner, and then maybe a leaf or two at the bottom. So I'm gonna put a leaf there and one there, and that's it. So that we're doing it. Pause. Okay, guys, so this is the end result of my first fall 2020 decor. I only did fall. I didn't do Halloween. Usually I do Halloween. Me, my husband, all the boys help. So I just want to take you guys on a little journey through my front room. And this is an accent tree. I never ever take this tree down. We decorated for every season and most of all the holidays. The pillows came from Shoppers Where. I don't know if you all have one. They were $7, but that was fine because I did not have any accent pillows on my couches. Everything on this tree came from Dollar Tree except the corn and this little stuff right here. Now, my cats sleep over here usually, so that's why I put those pillows there. I just grabbed a sheet and a pillowcase and put it under the tree. All the pillows, like I said, that is a pillow covering. You saw me do that. That is a throw that came from Burlington. It only cost $9. That is so pretty and it feels so soft. Okay, everything over here, well, this came from Bath and Body Works. The rest of all of this decor right here came from either Dollar Tree or Menards, which is like a hardware store. Guys, oh my God, I am so outdone with my picture because everything on this picture came from Dollar Tree. Nothing came from any other store. We painted the picture, gave it kind of like a rustic, like farm feel, because I love farm. And that's how it turned out. My mother is so ecstatic. She was asking me, when are you decorating? So I'll be decorating. And that is a refurbished picture. You all saw me take that down. And then I did my stairs. That's from Dollar Tree, guys. Don't mind it, my wall need washing. These are so gorgeous. Give thanks, and hello fall. All of them came from Burlington Coat Factory. I think this was the highest. It was 9. These were 2. This was a base I already had, and everything else from Dollar Tree. So thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, share my channel. And I hope if you all enjoy this video, be looking out for one every Friday. Thanks, guys. Bye.